What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about kung paano mag-inquire sa new Land Bank mobile application. Kasi guys, itong Land Bank mobile application is updated na ulit siya. Kaya naman gagawa ko ng panibagong tutorial sa mga baguhan kung paano mag-inquire sa new Land Bank mobile application gamit yung cash card natin. Para na rin makita natin kung may laman na ba, kasi itong cash card kasi guys ng Land Bank is nandyan pumapasok yung sa 4Ps, kung may sa mga senior citizens, di ba? Tapos ginagamit din ito na kung kayo ay government employee, dyan pumapasok yung bonus ninyo. Kaya naman gagawa ko ng panibagong tutorials para sa new Land Bank mobile application kung paano mag-inquire gamit ang cash card ATM card. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang, kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, Land Bank Mobile Banking update. Kasi kailangan siyang i-update. Ngayon, i-update ko siya. Then pagka-update, nakikita nyo installing na siya. Tapos nandito na siya. Click natin yung Land Bank sa ating applications. Then, nakita nyo, yan, Land Bank. Then, pagka-open nyo yan, guys, lalabas terms and conditions. The following terms and conditions contain significant agreements involving all users of Land Bank mobile banking application. So, mahaba-haba siya, guys, kung babasahin natin lahat. Then, i-skip na lang natin. I-scroll down nyo lang. Then, i-agree nyo lang. Pagka-i-agree nyo, guys, lalabas ito. What's new? Since updated siya, may mga bagong features ngayon si Land Bank mobile application. Device registration. So, enjoy secure login every time you access your account in the Land Bank mobile application. Make sure you register your smartphones or tablets you regularly use to log in to get your OTP authorization via SMS. Next is yung DOBS mobile, account opening anytime, anywhere. Open a new Land Bank savings account using your mobile device through the DOBS mobile. No need to go to the branch. Ready your one valid ID and just follow the simple steps in the app. The DOBS mobile uses image recognition technology to capture and validate your identity. So, itong DOBS na sinasabi guys is kahit dito na kayo mag-open ng account nyo sa Land Bank, hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta ng branch. So, ito guys, kapag na-update nyo yung Land Bank mobile banking ninyo, ganito yung bubungad sa inyo. Siyempre, cash card kayo, kaya naman kailangan yung i-scroll up. So, pagka-scroll up nyo guys, makikita nyo yung cash card enquiry. Pagka-click nyo yan guys, ganito lalabas. Cash card enquiry, cash card number, then PIN. So, yung cash card number guys, is sa cash card ninyo sa harap, merong mga numbers dyan, di ba? 16 digits yan. Yan yung ilalagay nyo sa cash card number. Tapos, yung PIN. Yung PIN naman guys, kayo yung gumawa nun, kaya naman kayo lang nakakaalam nun. Tapos, maganda guys, save my cash card number. I-click nyo yan para next time na mag-login kayo, hindi nyo na kailangan ilagay yung cash card number, yung PIN na lang yung kailangan. Pagkalagay nyo yan guys, i-click nyo yung save my cash card number. Tapos, pagka-click nyo, ganyan na siya, login kayo. Pagka-login nyo guys, ganito yung lalabas. Message from Land Bank. There will be a scheduled system maintenance. Kapag may mga advisory sila, kung may kailangan ayusin, dyan lalabas. Then, i-okay nyo lang yan. Pagka-okay nyo, ayan, nakikita nyo na yung laman ng cash card ninyo. Ganun lang siya kabilis. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung details. Tapos, pagkatapos nyo makita kung magkano yung balance, click nyo yung arrow sa gilid. Tapos, mag-log out kayo ngayon. Are you sure you want to log out? Then, i-yes nyo lang siya. Pagka-log out nyo guys, babalik yan dito. Nakita nyo na yung laman ng cash card ninyo. Ganun lang siya kabilis. Ngayon guys, yung mga kadalasang tanong kung bakit hindi kayo makapag-login sa Land Bank. Nais kong sabihin sa inyo guys na i-check nyo yung internet connection ninyo, baka kasi mahina yung internet, at saka yung card details na nilagay ninyo, yung login details, yung card number, at saka yung PIN, of course, baka kasi mali yung nilalagay yung PIN, of course, hindi talaga kayo makakapag-login kapag mali-mali yung login details ninyo. Tapos, syempre, baka naman kasi guys, yung Land Bank mobile application is naka-under maintenance kasi minsan hindi talaga siya all the time working, minsan talaga is nagkakaproblema yung system. Kaya naman, maya-maya, try nyo ulit. Try nyo muna palipasin ng 1 oras, ganyan. Then, try nyo ulit mag-enroll or mag-login. Ngayon may nagtatanong guys kung pwede daw bang i-transfer yung laman ng cash card, Land Bank cash card. Hindi po siya pwede guys. Hindi siya pwede ma-transfer sa GCash or sa kahit anumang bank account. Kailangan nyo lang talaga siya ma-withdraw gamit yung cash card na yon kasi hindi po siya transferable. Hindi siya tulad ng savings account na pwedeng ilipat sa ibang account. The Unit Investment Trust Fund. So, baka kasi guys, nagtataka kayo, pinapakita ko lang guys kung ano yung meron sa bagong Land Bank mobile application. Unit Investment Trust Funds. Enroll your Unit Investment Trust Fund UITF account and enjoy convenient and hassle-free investing. So kung balak nyo mag-invest, pwedeng-pwede na dito sa new Land Bank mobile application. View your UITF portfolio and place subscription orders to Land Bank UITFs through your mobile device. To enroll your account, click the More icon on the Accounts dashboard. Click Manage My Accounts, Enroll Additional on Account. Then, biometrics login. So, kung gusto nyo na diretso na kayo mag-login, gamit lang yung fingerprints ninyo, i-enable nyo yung biometrics login. Personalize your mobile banking security with the biometrics authentication. Use either fingerprint or facial recognition depending on the capability of your mobile device. So, pwede yung facial ID ninyo, Face ID, or fingerprints nyo lang. Mabilis na lang kayo makapag-login. MobiLock. So, enhance your ATM card security by using MobiLock, a free mobile feature that allows you to lock your cards anywhere at any time. No transaction will be accepted either for local or international use when your ATM is locked. Only you can unlock or enable your card for use by going to the MobiLock page. So, pwede nyo i-lock yung ATM card ninyo kasi alam nyo naman na yung ATM card natin is delikado siya kapag hindi siya na pangalagaan. Maganda, i-lock nyo siya guys para kahit paano confident kayo or parang kampante kayo na walang mangyayari doon sa pera ninyo. OTP generator. Use the one-time password OTP generator for a more secure banking experience on your mobile device. Then quick balance para makita nyo agad, ganun lang siya kabilis. So ito guys, my terms and conditions. The following terms and conditions contain significant agreement involving all users of Land Bank Mobile Banking Application, MBA. By ticking I agree, it is understood that the MBA user had thoroughly reviewed, fully understands, and agrees to the following terms and conditions. So, features of MBA services, accessibility. We acknowledge that MBA is a facility granted by Land Bank of the Philippines, which I may avail for as long as it is offered and provided that I and we continue to be qualified under the terms and conditions. So, kailangan nyo i-agree guys yung terms and conditions nila kasi syempre it's a governed by a organization. So, may mga terms and conditions sila. Kailangan nyo mag-agree para magamit ninyo yung facilities na ino-offer nila. Tapos, marami kayong pwedeng gawin kung gusto nyo mag-open ng account dito sa Land Bank mobile application. Hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta ng branch para mag-fill up ng pagkarami-raming, mag-fill out ng mga forms. Dito na lang sa online kasi meron naman silang technology na kung saan nakalagay dito, ayan, no need to go to the branch, ready your one valid ID and just follow the simple steps in the app. The DOBS mobile uses image recognition technology to capture and validate your identity. Ganun siya kabilis. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!